back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Guys, we're in the car. We're on our way to Tampa. And I tell Charles, you know what? Let's just have a car chat. Let's just chat and have our friends. What I need to do is do a live stream. I have not done a live stream since I started my channel. And I have to do one, okay? One day soon. I'm gonna figure it out and I'm gonna do a live stream, and I'm gonna put it up so that all you guys will know when I'm coming on, that you guys can come on so we can all chat together. Just be nice to me, because it's gonna be the first time I'm gonna be doing it. So just be nice to me when I do that, okay?
For what reason?
What do you mean for what reason?
I don't need to be nice. Why you need to be nice?
By the way, this is Charles over here. Say hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. Anything else you want me to say in this chat?
No, I don't want you to say anything else. Just stay there. I just came in from work, guys, and I'm on my way to Tampa. I am going to be working on a garden this week.
Again?
Again.
Jeez.
I'm helping my daughter, guys, with her garden. Now, what happened is, I was there a couple weeks ago.
Garden more than Adam.
I was there a couple weeks ago, and we worked on the garden, but I did a video, for some reason, I don't know if the camera wasn't on, what happened, but I lost the video from the beginning, from the start. I lost the video. So I'm going again so that I can do another video, so I can show you, you know, the steps of exactly how I did that. So you will see me in the garden. So let me tell you a little few things about myself. I love, of course, you all know that I love cooking. I'm a chef.
Really?
What's so funny?
You forget to tell me.
Guys, I cook. I think I'm pretty good at some stuff that I make. I'm not no professional chef, but I'm good at what I make. And I reached out recently in a car chat that I did before to ask if there's anyone who is interested in me coming to their house, maybe their restaurant, maybe they have a little business, for me to come and cook something. Let me see how you cook certain things, how you make certain things, which might be a little bit different. You might have a little spin on certain things. I would love to be able to come and videotape you doing it, and so I can show everybody, show the world, you know, your magic, because sometimes people want to see that stuff. So if you are going to be cooking anytime soon, I'm going to be in Barbados. I'm going to be in St. Lucia next month. We're traveling to St. Lucia. So if you're from St. Lucia, I know I have a lot of friends in St. Lucia, please reach out to me. Let me know, you know, where I can meet you. Maybe you come to me. I don't know, guys. We figure that out. But I would love to watch you and videotape you making maybe St. Lucian dish. I want to go to a couple other islands. I don't know how that's going to work out, but we'll see as the time goes. And make me something,
we're
guys.
going to Barbados.
We're going to end up in Barbados. It'll probably be our last trip. After we leave, maybe go to the Caribbean for a little while. We can go to Barbados. So if you're in Barbados, you're Bajan, I want to see how you make your black pudding and sauce, your cuckoo, whatever you make, your breadfruit cuckoo, whatever you make, you know, I want to see how you make it. You already saw how I made it, how I make it, because I have some of there on my channel, but I want to see how you make it, okay? So please go ahead and send me an invite. I would love to be able to come and record that. Another thing we talked about before, guys, is I told everybody that I have another channel which is called Tina Rain's Journey, and I asked that, you know, some people go over there and just give me a subscribe and a thumbs up. Some people went over and supported me by giving a subscribe, and I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm still short. I'm trying to get to 1,000. So I have like 985 or something like that. But I still need at least another 15 or so to get to 1,000 subscribers. So guys, because this channel have over 22,000 subscribers, so 15 subscribers is not a lot. Right?
That's a good way to beg.
Yeah. They have over 22,000 subscribers. So guys, go over to Tinarine's Journey and just show me some love, guys. Just hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I will, or I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay? So thank you for doing that. What else I gotta talk about? Okay, I told you that I am retiring. A lot of people wrote me to congratulate me and so on. Thank you. Next month, actually this month, the 29th of this month is my last day at school. There's a couple of people that's retiring. Also, my principal is also retiring. We did a little party for her yesterday, a little surprise party for her yesterday, because she is going to be retiring as well. So guys, when I go to work during the day, everybody's like, are you counting down? So I think,
You want one of these, boo?
no thank you.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
asking me if I want one of those cars. I'm like, no thank you. I think we have 18 more days left in school, 18 more work days, and then that's it for us. That's it for me. No more working. So my thing is to travel.
How come it is that I can be working and you're working?
Somebody,
What's going to happen here?
he's saying, how come he's gonna be working and not me? But somebody got to pay the bills, right? Somebody got to pay the bills.
I guess so.
Yeah.
I guess
But
I have no choice.
my thing is to travel, guys. So let me tell you something. See, Charles was able to get some extended day off from work for him to be able to go on vacation. Now, I said to him, and tell me if I'm wrong. Maybe you guys can respond to this in the chat when you write me. I said to Charles, no, I do not have to go back to work. School is out. Kids are out of school. If I come back, when I go on vacation and we go to Barbados, why don't I just stay in Barbados for maybe a couple more weeks, 3 or 4 more weeks for me to stay in Barbados? He has to come back, obviously, because he has to go back to work. I don't. So I'm saying, why don't I just stay in Barbados a little bit longer and just hang out down there? I could do my videos. I could go around, visit friends, you know, do all that kind of stuff, because I stay with my sister while I'm there.
Hell no.
You hear him?
No.
Why not?
What you can do? Play with my fingers? I don't like
Keep your hands on that steering wheel.
Huh?
Listen, guys. If he come back, there's the girls here. He can come. He can spend time with the girls. There's the grandkids. He can go spend time with the grandkids. I don't have to be there. I could just stay a couple more weeks. Let me stay a couple more weeks until I get tired of our business and figure, you know what, I had enough, and let me then come back. Because I don't have to rush back. Why have to rush back?
Here's the thing. I don't mind spending time with my girls. My girls are just awesome, just lovely. But when we spend time with the girls spend time with you. Daddy's just there. Dad, how are you doing? Love you. But when I am there, I don't even see them. They'll be in the rooms or wherever to go.
That's not true. The girls love to be with their daddy. And if they know that I'm not there, they're going to make sure to take care of him. So
I'm not saying that they don't take care of me. They'll take care of me, but
I know it's not the same, but I'm just saying.
It's not the same.
give me a couple extra weeks
So, you know,
to just hang out there and just stay there.
I'd be too bored. I'm sorry.
That's what it is. He bored. He don't
I'd
know
be
what
too
to
bored.
do.
I don't know what to do myself.
He don't know what to do with himself, and I'm not there. That's what I'm saying. Go by the girls and just stay with the girls, you know, until they come back. But because he has to work, so you have to come back. So we're just hoping the time comes soon where he doesn't have to.
You could stay wherever you want or however long you want and that kind of stuff. We don't stop that. You know that too. I don't stop you from, or I will tell you that now. I would say that. I would say, you know that. You know that I'll miss you.
So I can go to Barbados and stay for extra 3 weeks?
We negotiate that way. I don't know about that yet. I don't know about that yet.
You don't know that yet?
You know, that'd be too miserable. So that's all right.
Yeah,
you know that.
Yeah, he gets bored. That's why I'm trying to find things to keep him busy when I'm gone so he's not bored.
Buy me the fishing boat and then you won't worry about me.
Buy you a fishing boat?
Yeah, buy me the boat that I want and then you won't
buy he the boat that he wants so he can go fishing. But then now I'm going to worry about him because you're no fisherman. Are you a fisherman?
Well, I don't got to be with. Just buy the boat. I get some boy. I get a captain. Just don't. So
then I'll be worried about you. So no.
Well, I got a captain. He's gonna take me out, take me and the guys out, and that and stuff.
So basically, guys, that's what we're doing.
So I ain't getting the boat.
You're getting the boat.
Jesus Lord of mercy.
Yes, no, you're not getting the boat.
But then she gonna retire and they gonna pay the bill still. See, I can't get my boat. So I want to tell me about that right now, if that's fair.
That is fair.
Is that fair? Is that fair that she can go stay wherever she want for as long as she want? I'm miserable and I can't get you boat to go fishing. Well, that don't make no sense to me. That's not fair.
Well, you know what? You could go pay somebody to go on the boat for like a day or two.
Oh, why would I want to pay somebody when they have my own boat?
Well, listen, you don't need a boat. Just relax. You don't need a boat. But guys, basically that's it. I will be coming to Barbados. I don't know how long I'm going to be staying in Barbados because Mr. here has to come back to work. We'll see how that works. And
well, we're going to be in Barbados for at least almost 2 weeks.
Yeah, we will probably.
And then we have to come back. It's not like only just my work that we come back. We have to come back.
Well, yeah, we have to come back, but I'm just saying I do not have to come back right away.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do, because we're doing other things, and you have to come back so that you'll be there.
No, I'm not.
I can't wait the last minute that you and say, well, okay, you gotta be there. Now I gotta call you, and you looking for a trip next day.
Listen, he's gonna find all kind of stuff to say the reason why I should stay right a little bit longer. But I'm done with him in that subject right now. But I'm looking forward to that trip. But yes, I will be there soon.
Well, I can't get my boat off the wall at all. All I'm doing is they're looking at me all the time. I can't get her off the wall. Huh?
So I just have a picture of a boat on the wall, so he said he can't get the boat off the wall. Guys, this was fun chatting with you. I hope I didn't bore you too much. If there's some questions, I know people sometimes write and ask me a few things, but if you want these car chats every once in a while and you have some questions you want to ask me, just write me and ask me the questions, and when I do the car chat, I would answer your questions. And yeah, when I do a car chat, then I'll be able to answer. And I'm gonna do a live stream one day, and I would write in the community chat when I'm gonna do the live stream, so that hopefully all of you can tune in for it. But that would be sometime in the future. I have to work and let you know. I'll be putting up a gardening. After this, I'm gonna put up, I have a couple of videos to put up, but you will see as I put them up. Thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget, go over to Tina Rain's Journey and give me some love. Hit the subscribe button And don't forget to
Don't let me go to
thumbs up.
come over there for one. I come in the Barbados. Don't let me look for one. All right. Go over there and subscribe.
You hear
Alright.
Charles said, go subscribe. Otherwise, she can come and look for you guys when you get there.
I see you in Bridgetown. It'll be a problem.
All right, guys. Until next time. Bye-bye.